me try to check tip quiz, Aaron.
You gotta be still. Don't move.
All right.
And you know this is kind of a big deal. So let me read the question again, and that is: Scooter has a 1945 Mustang that his father restored. You may not have heard of a 45 Mustang, but Scooter not only has one, but he uses it for trips all around the country. How many 1945 Mustangs were built? And now, what is your first name again?
Billy?
Billy?
This is Billy from North Augusta.
Billy, all eyes
Yep.
are on you. We're looking for you to answer today's tech tip quiz. What is the today's answer?
The 1945 Mustang is an aircraft that we built for World War II. And I'm going to say we probably built 3,000 of them.
Wait a minute. Let me put that in front of all the judges. The judges are looking, and they're going through paperwork, and they're rattling everything. Let's see what they say.
Thank you very much.
Oh, wow. Oh, they're going crazy in here. And see what we do. I know it looks like we're just pushing a button when that happens,
No,
but actually, all we're doing is pushing a button to signal the crowd.
That's it. They're there.
Yeah, they're going absolutely crazy. You're absolutely right. The Mustang that Scooter owns is a P51 Mustang, and I'm not sure if how many were actually built of the 1945 Mustangs, but I do know that roughly 15,000 P51 Mustangs were built, and we lost around 2,500 of them during World War II. But there's still around 100 of them in flyable condition, but they are just an absolutely awesome airplane.